ויאמר השם מסיני בא וזרח משעיר למו, הופיע מהר פרן ועשה מרבויס קודש. מימינו אש דס למוי. Kodesh Baruch Hu came from Sinai, came from the mountain of Paran. On his right side there was the Torah. What does that mean? On the right side, Mimino yesh das lamo, with fiery letters. Explain the Gaon Mivilna. In Maseches Avodah Zarah, the Beis Amud Beis, this appears in Sifri as well. There's a Medrash. Before HaKadosh Baruch Hu came to Klal Yisrael, he went to all the nations and he asked, do you want to accept my Torah? So they asked, what's in it? He went to the sons of Esav. And HaKadosh Baruch Hu said, it says, Lo tirtzach, don't kill, don't murder. And they said, no, sorry, it's not for us because our great-grandfather was a murderer. That's what we do for a living. It's in our genes. Not good. Thank you. Kodesh Baruch Hu went to Klal Yisrael and he said, what's in it? And they said to him, what's in this Torah? Kodesh Baruch Hu said, Anochi Hashem, I am your God who took you out of Egypt. And Klal Yisrael said, Na'aseh v'nishma, we will do and we will hear. It's a great match made in heaven. But the Gaon Mivin asks, what would happen if HaKadosh Baruch Hu will tell Bnei Esav the same thing he will tell Klal Yisrael? Why is it that he only told Esav, Lo tirtzach, that's what's in the Torah, don't kill. Don't murder. Why didn't he say to the Bnei Esav the same thing he said to Klal Yisrael, Anochi Hashem? And the Gaon Mivilna explained that Pasuk tells us the answer, Miminoi esh das lamo, from the right side, from the Kodesh Baruch Hu's right side. Klal Yisrael read from right to left. Bnei Esav read from left to right. So when they meet the two tablets, the 10 Commandments are divided into two sets, the right and the left. They read from left to right, so the first thing that they will meet is the 6th commandment, which is the top one on the left side. What does it say? Lo tirtzach, don't murder. But Klal Yisrael, mimino, they read from the right. So the first commandment that they meet is Anochi Hashem. That is why they met Anochi Hashem. And they said, Na'aseh v'nishma, we will do and we will hear.